Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2024 X24. This boat, obviously it's the X24, so it has the cool pocket seats in the back with the pop-up recliner, and then it also has the can recline back kind of into the compact mode there. Walking into the boat, you got the nice step through, so you're stepping on sea deck all the way into the boat. This boat's equipped with the dual screen with navigation and advanced audio. So we have the speakers in the dash and the two subwoofers, 6 cockpit speakers, and then we got the 2 Klipsch tower speakers on the Z8 folding tower with folding wake surf, wakeboard clamping racks. Nice walk through here, huge big open bow, wide front. That is so accustomed to our nice X series on the MasterCrafts, comfortable seating, speakers, cup holders, storage underneath both sides. We went with the sea deck flooring on this boat. I got the hidden trash can, storage underneath this whole console here, and we got the observer controls over here, cup holder, and the phone holders right there. This boat has pop-up seat backs here and here, and then we also have the reversible couch. This boat is equipped with the 6.2 liter 430 horsepower Ilmor engine. It's got 4,300 pounds of ballast. Awesome, amazing surf boat, great wakeboard boat, and just awesome cruising boat. It's so big, 18 people get on this boat. Such comfortable seating in the MasterCrafts. Cruise around the lake, head to dinner, go for a nice cruise, stop, surf, whatever you want to do. This boat does it all. Some really cool things. Come and check this boat out at MarineMax Greenville here at the store. It's in the showroom with lots of other MasterCrafts in here. And we will put it up on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. And then, of course, you could give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, come and check out this beautiful 2024 X24. Thank you.